Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic solid edge tutorial how to create rectangular pattern. As example, I will draw rectangle and I will choose this top plane. So you can click like from this origin point into here. After it, I will select this rectangle and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now for profile, I will create hole, click at this hole icon and click at this point. Now, if you want to use rectangular pattern, you need to select for the profile or objects. In here, I will select for the whole objects and then click at this option, rectangular, and will be show for the rectangular option. Now, you can create the rectangle like I will create in here. For X count, it's set into 5, and then for Y count, it's set into 4. You can edit like I will set E count into 3 and then X count into 3. You also can set for the distance in it. I will set into 70 and the other for width set into 80. And if you're done, you can click OK. So that's it for a basic solid edge tutorial how to create a rectangular pattern. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.